Myself, Hima from Triple Department. I am the student of Srinivasa Ramanujan Institute of Technology. Now I am solving one problem. Calculate surface integral of f into n bar into ds, where f bar is equals to z I bar plus x j bar minus 3y z k bar and s be the any closed surface. Given x square plus y square is equals to 16, included in the first octant between the limits z is equals to 0 and z is equals to 5. Given that f bar is equals to z I bar plus x j bar minus 3y square z k bar. Given surface x square plus y square is equals to 16. Surface integral is equals to x square plus y square minus 16 is equals to 0. N bar is equals to integral del of surface integral by mod del of surface integral. Del of surface integral is equals to I bar into dou by dou x plus j bar into dou by dou y plus k bar into dou by dou z into x square plus y square minus 16, and then is equals to I bar into 2x plus j bar into 2y plus k bar into 0. Del of surface integral 2x I bar plus 2y j bar. N bar is equals to del of surface integral by mod del of surface integral is equals to 2x I bar plus 2y j bar by root of 4x square plus 4y square is equals to x I bar plus 4j yj bar by root of x square plus y square. N bar is equals to 1 by 4 into x I bar plus yj bar. F bar into n bar is equals to 3I bar plus xj bar minus 3y square zk bar into 1 by 4 xi bar plus yj bar. 1 by 4 into xz plus xy, double surface integral of f bar into n bar by mod n bar into k bar into dy into dz. N bar mod n bar into I bar is equals to 1 by 4 into x I bar plus yj bar into I bar is equals to x by y. X square plus y square is equals to 16, y square is equals to 16. Then y is equals to plus or minus 4. Then we take in y is equals to 0 to 4, z is equals to 0 to 5. Surface integral of f bar into n bar ds is equals to double surface integral of f bar into n bar by mod n bar into I bar dy into dz. Double surface integral of r1 1 by 4 into zx plus xy into 4 by x dy into dz. Double surface integral of r1 into y plus z into dy dz. Surface integral of f bar into n bar into ds is equals to limit of 0 to 4 and second limit 0 to 5 y plus z into dy dz. 0 to 4 and 0 to 5 limits y dy dz plus double integral 0 to 4 and 0 to 5 limits z dy dz. Integral of 0 to 4 y into z 0 to 5 limits dy plus integral of 0 to 4 z square by 2 to apply the limit 0 to 5 dy. 5 into integral of 0 to 4 y dy plus 25 by 2 integral of 0 to 4 dy. 5 into y square by 2 0 to 4 plus 2 25 by 2. 5 into 8 plus 25 by 2 into 4. 5 is a 40 plus 50 is equals to 90. Thank you.